We'll need a couple of pictures, at least, of our painted house in Blender. We're going to want to match the ones that are in SketchUp as closely as we can. So this is the overall view, and this is that detail view showing the corner of the window and the 3D, and then transparency in this corner of the house. Lets us see the door really well as well. Let's go to Blender. When you import your house, it'll look like this once you change to the fully rendered mode. We want to get pictures from this angle, but the camera, if I press 0 on my number pad, is still over here. Rendering is done by Render, Render Image. There is an F12 keyboard shortcut. No matter where we go and look, the camera staying in one place, it'll look like this. You can close your rendered image. Zoom in a little bit so that your camera frame, clicking on camera, is visible all the way around and fairly large. Go to view, and you can lock the camera to the view so that now when I orbit, notice what's happening here. Since the camera is selected, our navigation is causing it to swerve. So choose the model, and now orbiting will orbit around the house. So position the camera as close to the other image as you can, and we'll render that one. Render, Render Image. Now we want to save this, so we're going to go to Image, Save As, and navigate to our Output folder. You're going to want to use the date code very carefully because we're going to have a lot of different angles that we're going to be taking, and over time you want to replace them. So we're going to do 209 for today. This is the Blender house, and this is the full view. So I'm going to change this to full. And we need that detail view of the corner. So I'm going to orbit and zoom in and try and get that angle, really showing off the way that window is created and having that detailed corner right down there as well. F12 is the keyboard shortcut to render. Image, Save As, and this is going to be the detail view. So turn both of those in.